your Storm Tracker weather with Chief Meteorologist Chikage Windler.
These days, we've been watching the high temperatures generally settle in the 80s, more like October than November. I do have one front that's heading our way tomorrow, a stronger front tandem that will be moving through next week. And it's that next week front that will really bring our first legitimate long-range chance for the coldest air of the season. Here we are preparing for sunset at 5:35 p.m. Kind of hazy. This is actually beautiful looking, right? Another thing that may be beautiful to check out in the night sky, 6:27 this evening. Look up. The south-southwest sky to the northeast sky. The International Space Station will be flying over. It is a high pass. It will be a long pass, 6 minutes. Don't miss it. 79 degrees outside right now. High temperature today made it to 83. We missed a record. The record of 89 does stand. Currently in Horseshoe Bay, it's 80, 81 in the airport, and 78 in LaGrange. And unlike yesterday, where we had the cool, comfortable, refreshing air out of the northeast, now we've got winds out of the southeast, and that is pulling in a little bit of humidity. All of that in advance of our next cold front. This weather maker, by the way, is going to come through. It's a Pacific front. Pacific fronts aren't known for pulling in a lot of cold air. It'll be cooler, but not cold. It's also going to be dry, unfortunately. We need that rain. It's not coming from tomorrow's front. Overnight lows only falling to about 59 degrees in Austin. The average low for early tomorrow is 51, so we'll be unseasonably warm to start off tomorrow and unseasonably warm throughout the day. Not as cool as what we woke up to this morning. Tomorrow, cloud heavy in the morning, sunshine in the afternoon. 86 is what I'm forecasting. The record of 91 will be safe. Let's talk about your hour-by-hour forecast. By lunchtime, we're at about 80. By 4 o'clock, 84 degrees. So the front right now looks like it's going to push through the hill country first half of the day. Then by about lunchtime, moving through the Austin area and pushing off toward the east. It'll bring clouds, no rain. And then as we wake up on Thursday, that's when you'll say, oh, yeah, that front is making its presence known. 40s in the hill country first thing in the morning on Thursday, 50s in Austin. And then on Friday morning, after highs in the 70s on Thursday, I'm expecting Friday morning we should see some pockets of upper 30s in the coldest spots with 40s in Austin, forecasting 46 degrees for that wake up temperature. Next coming attraction Monday, 40% chance of showers and or storms with a weaker Pacific front, followed by a stronger front next Tuesday, not shown on this forecast. Wednesday, 1 week from tomorrow, highs could only be in the 60s.